Aha. We're back. All right, can you hear me now? I think we're locked in, boys. All right, cool. I mean, now's the time to do some technical analysis. We are in the point of the market where, you know, people are realizing extreme profits. Retail people are fucking calling each other up, looking at each other. People are going back into their old accounts and realizing that, oh shit, my shit from 4 years ago is back. And those people are really happy. I'm happy for them too. I'm happy. I got some bags from, you know, some round trip bags that I got that I'm happy about. You know what I'm saying? Like Cardano. Fucking A, dog. I bought Cardano like when it was tip-top shape 3 years ago. Now we're back, baby. I mean, a bunch of old blue chips are way back. But there's a lot of shit happening in the market right now in every blockchain. Everything is pumping. Every fucking mid-cap altcoin, whatever the fuck you want to call it, is pumping gloriously out of your minds. So, and all those coins are all the old school coins, right? So there's an effect going on. There's a psychological effect happening right now. Retail is finally getting pinched, finally getting smacked upside across their head, and they're waking up, you know? And there's much more to go with this pump with, especially like these mid-cap coins, right? Like, let's take a look at Matic. Matic is still, Polygon is still, if you're looking for like investments, mid altcoins type shit, there's a lot of coins out here that are still just, a lot of other coins have pumped right hard. Matic is still on the burner, okay? Now you could just see this is a great entry for Matic. If you're looking, you know, if you're like a retail guy and you're not trying to get too crazy with meme coins and shit like that, and you're looking for a nice safe play, you know what I mean? Listen, the upside for Matic is really good. Potentially looking at like a 5x. You know, an easy 5x. All you got to do is just wait for the market, okay? Because Matic will be here, right? Look at Quant making its way back to $100, right? And there's a lot of talk about Quant. Look how Quant broke its little wedge pattern right here. Came down, and it's trying to reach the top of this resistance, right? I don't know about Quant. I got out of Quant, you know. But, you know, the Quant, everything's going to pump. Every fucking thing is going to pump. We're in a bull run. And it's just crazy. Like, we're in the fucking bull run, for sure. Even shit in Crow. Look at Crow. Crow is doing phenomenal right now. And yeah, there's upside for Crow. There's mad upside for Crow. He's just trying to recover right now. Oh. Let me get over there. Look at this bounce. From 16 to 19 to 20. Topping out at 23 cents. Right, and it corrected itself back at 13 cents here. As I mean, it could correct again right now, right? Because resistance is 20 cents right now. You could draw a line right there. Boom. And it needs to break that ceiling, right? And what it's gonna do probably, it's gonna rally in this box right here. From 15 cents to 20 cents, right? That is the range that Crow is gonna be playing in for this week. Unless we start seeing mad fucking flow coming through, money flow, and this thing goes ballistic with the rest of the market, okay? Like, these altcoins are all gonna fucking pump. Crow, BNB, you know, Cass. Cass is another one that's just, it's gonna be doing great as well. I don't know if you guys are into these coins, but I'm pretty spread out. I'm spread out everywhere. You know, I have XLM to XRP. Let's look at XLM, because that one is doing crazy right now, boy. XLM. Let's go to the Coinbase. Oh my God. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Look at that fucking XLM pump. Look at that XLM pump. That is wild. That is fucking wild, bro. I mean, from the trenches. That is from the trenches, boy. That is from the fucking trenches, dog. That's crazy. Hold on, let me get some water real quick. I'll be right back. I'll be right back. So we had some shit pump this week on Crow. A bunch of meme coins are pumping on Crow. Of course, liquidity has been taken, but after liquidity was taken, we saw some resurgence. So we could go look at that right now if you want. It's I mean, I got a couple $1,000 over there in Crow, so like it wouldn't hurt to see it. So why don't we go peep it out, you know what I'm saying? Let's go look at the Crow shit, right? And let's see what's happening over there in Crow. It's kind of, you know, Crow is kind of where I started from. And here's pretty much here are the top coins for Crow that have been pumping. And what we'll do is we'll just go through some technical analysis. All right, this one was made literally 3 days ago. Barra, whatever the fuck. And it did a little pumpy. Right, did the pumpy dumpy. It pump, and then dump, and actually had a resurgence. Right? If you got in early, you did some good numbers there. The longevity of Barra, I have no idea, but if you want to look at entry points, right? Say you're new. Okay, we could check out Cheddar and Solana after this. You know, and what I do is I just find your entry points for you. I will find the edges for you. I will find the best fucking entry points and exits for you. And I will help you recognize what the fuck you're looking at. Because everything works in channels, guys. Everything works in trading valleys and channels, peaks and bounds. Okay? And we need to learn these levels before you enter a trade. You need to draw some fucking lines, okay? Guys, we revolve in numbers here. This is a numbers game, and geometry is huge in numbers, and these lines respect themselves, okay? Now, right now, when I'm looking at this chart, Barra is in no man's land, okay? These are our boundaries right here, okay? Our tops, mid-tops, bottom, mid-bottom, and right here is the middle. You never want to enter a trade in the middle, okay? Wait for this right here. You see this trend line? We're forming a massive trend line here, okay? This is the trend line, and this works for every fucking coin, right? And now you see that we're building a wedge here, okay? And I promise you, this trend line, we're going to respect this line, because what happens here, I'm going to show you right now why this line is respected. One, respect. Second moment of respect. Third moment of respect. The fourth moment of respect could be here, right? But we're building a wedge that could break out in this portion right here, okay? And you see the buys coming in right here. If you're new, you can always look at the transactions, right? People are buying 28,000, 2,800, 28. Why is this buying at 2,800? I don't know. But if you want to see his wallet, you just click on TXN, right? And now we are looking at this mofo's wallet. We click here, and he has, let's see. He's got $5 million worth of tokens, right? He's got Crow with Knife, a 2.5, a whopping Crow with Knife holding. So this guy is a fucking whale out here, okay? He's got Corgi AI. He's got 1.3 million Corgi AI. He's got USD stable, 1 million in stable, right? He's got 500K in Krob. Tectonic, he's got 42K. Chronos ID, 31K. Right? And he's got $300 of worthless MMF. What a fucking idiot. Anyway, so this guy is ready to take your fucking money, dude. Okay? And he's actually market making this coin, as you could see. This guy is a market maker, dude. He's not an official market maker. I'm just calling him that, right? But you could see there's lots of manipulation in Crow. You need to understand that. Crow is a graveyard of rug pulls and motherfuckers that prey on new people that come into crypto. Because Crypto.com is a haven for new guys who want fucking crypto wedgies. Or fucking wet willies. You guys just get picked on, get tossed around. And you guys think it's so nice to ask people questions like, oh, so is this the best thing? It's like going into a weed shop and asking them, what's the best weed? Oh, they're going to show you the oldest fucking weed there that they need to get rid of. Okay? Anyway, I digress. So, that is Barra. I would definitely not buy anything right now until we reach these fucking points. Okay? So, bam, that's Barra. Where are we going next? So, Deuce, Casper. Yo, check out Cheddar on Solana. All right, let's go to Cheddar. Everything I do, more better. Everything I did, it costs Cheddar. So, Cheddar. Queen Baleeks. What's good, Queen? All right, Cheddar. I guarantee you there's so many Cheddars out here. You need to tell me which Cheddar. Okay, so we have 2.6 million. This is definitely the same Cheddar. 26262626. Okay, so these are all good. We'll just go to this one right here. I feel like I feel like you told me about Cheddar. I feel like we fucked with Cheddar like 6 months ago or some shit. Hold on. In April, yeah. Wow, look at this. It already did its double top. I mean, later. So, Cheddar, market cap 2.6 million market cap, which is not even 5 million market cap. I don't know anything about Cheddar. I don't know, their Twitter. They got 17,000 fake followers. I don't know. You feel me? Like, but it seems like there's some kind of community here, maybe. Cheddar's hosting right now. 14 people in the space. Anyway, we can draw some lines, okay? So, Cheddar, I already see resistance. Boom. Our next level of resistance. Boom. And our next level. And then we have our top. So right now, Cheddar is sitting on resistance right here, which was our tops, right? Our tops right here, okay? Become, if this is a bullish scenario, our tops, right, over here become, what do you call it? I just blanked out. What's the word again? Not resistance, but the bottom, when the top becomes the bottom. Golly, the boy just blanked out. But anyway, we want to see action like this. We just dipped down, right? And then we hit our first bottom right here. You see these tops right here? You see how this top right here became our resistance, became support. There you go. God damn, it's early. So this was resistance, right? And I call this that first layer. We broke it, extremely bullish. Came down. And what did we do? We hit that last top, right? Which is now bounced up 1, 2. So this is respected, right? What we really need to see, right? In order for this to come back up and collect liquidity up here or whatnot, or to come back and match that price again, we're going to need to see a rally from this zone where we bounced here and then we bounced up here, right? So this is our local channel now. Pay attention. This is our local channel, okay? We will be trading in this zone. If you're a Cheddar fucking holder, and I'll change this to yellow. This is your zone of trading right now, okay? And now you can zoom out of your zone, right? And you are in the middle of no man's land again, okay? So you are waiting for a correction either here, or what you really want is it to come down here, rally again right here, and maybe hit this zone and bounce from here, right? And if you see that, that is great bullish activity for Cheddar. And that's what I got for Cheddar. Okay? And that's probably what you'll see. But you got to understand, Cheddar just fully corrected itself. I mean, you know what I mean? It already just did its movement. So for this guy to move, because everyone's sold out and they moved into other things, obviously. Now other people are looking at this maybe for an opportunity. I don't know. But that's Cheddar. Let's go on to, let's go back to Crow real quick. Look at some other ones. Chronos is so easy to look at because it's such a small community, smallest community ever, maybe. that just love trading against each other, right? So here's Bara. It's already done its double top, and you can see with the help of a double top, you already see the trend line, right? We have a trend line forming here. Boom, right? It's easy as day. Now, where are our levels of support? I already see them right here. There's one. And you always want to make these geometric lines because what they end up being are manual Fibonacci lines that you draw. Okay? Because the rule is traders use the Fibonacci universally. So every trader is Fibonacci. Every trader, every good trader is Fibonacci. So Fibonacci exit points, you know, are fucking real and respected. That's why these lines, they don't fucking lie. The lines never lie. The chart never fucking lies. Oh, you're looking at old history, man. Suck my fucking cock. Old history repeats itself. You fucking fuck. And that's just the name of the game, right? All we have is history. And we use history to predict the future. And we're not, I don't want to say predict the future, but hey, we're predicting the fucking future. People could say, oh, I don't like predicting shit. It's all good. Bitch, you're trying to predict the future, okay? And that's the name of the game. You're trying to find out where this liquidity is going to move next. So right now, it looks bullish. I ain't gonna lie. Look at the respected groove, right? This is how I play. This is how I play. Right, so this is following a brand new trend line on this second wave. We might have more to go here, right? Reaching this all-time high is a very good possibility, right? Expect a correction at this point, right? That's the local top. And we are trading in this channel right here. So that's the top of that channel. We'll make that orange. And this is the top of this channel, bottom right here. Boom. So those orange lines, this is your local channel of trading right now, right? You see that pretty much right from that zone all the way up here, 71 cents. So from 38 to 72, that is your local channel. And again, where are we? We're in no man's land, right in the middle, right? So you're trying to buy. If you're trying to get into Mary, you're trying to buy at these points right here. Listen, unless we get a correction, right? You're really trying to cop Mary at these points, okay? Right now, I told you, orange lines. This is the trading valley. This is our local zone we're going to be trading at, okay? We've already touched the top. We've touched the bottom. We've touched the mid top. It didn't get over, okay? We came back down, respected it. Now we're in the mid, no man's land, okay? So you got to understand what we're looking at, right? This could fail and correct itself. There's two things that can happen here, right? It went boom, 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 went boom. We could break out of this wedge, or we can go lower and break this formation, okay? And then that is when you would look to actually really get in, right? Because you would want to find a spot down here, right? Because eventually what you really want to see at the end of the day is big cheek, little cheek, okay? And I swear to God, happens all the time. Big cheek, little cheek. The big cheek and then the little cheek, which goes to the moon. Alrighty. There's Mary. Have you checked out Bert on KRC20? Bert. Let me see Bert. Bert. What is KRC20? What is that? Is that Caspa? How do we look up Bert? Man. Yeah, that's where I see, that's what I see Mary doing. I see Mary taking profits. But we are in a bull run. So if people just start flocking here, you know, and money comes, it could all change. I mean, the altcoins are going ballistic, right? XLM is just going ham, boy. Sheesh. My goodness. What are we looking at here? What are we looking at here, bro? What are we looking at? XLM, dude. I mean, what is going on with XLM? This thing is going nuts. Incredible. I'm so glad I bought XLM down here. Crazy. Crazy, man. Look at SDEX. SDEX. I can't believe what SDEX is doing. This thing is, and I know why SDEX is coming back. Because right when they went to the bottom right here, they released some stable coin. And everybody's pairing that stable coin with SDEX, and it's making a run with that coin. It's incredible. SDEX is something that was listed on Coinbase a while ago. It's called SmartDex. And I really like this. I just really like this fucking, what do you call this platform? It's so good, right? And it's not one of those big platforms where, you know, we're kind of like a connect, you son of a bitch. So SDEX is low key, like it's got a big amount of supporters. Look at that fucking staked. 62 million staked of just SDEX, right? And it's found on Base Chain, BNB, Arbitrum, Polygon, Ethereum, which is all pumping right now, right? But SDEX has been an amazing play for me. As you can see, we got in very, and I've been staking this whole way, right? And I cashed out almost my whole principal. Now I'm just free riding. You know, I cashed out, the shit fell. And then 3 weeks ago, they started doing this USDN, right? The USDN farm right here. USDN staking, right? And there's some kind of reward incentive too. For the, it's the restaking bullshit, right? So, but after the USDN is pegged to that dollar, but it's like 15 cents or 10 cents above that buck for every buck. Wait, hold on. I didn't say that right. Maybe it's like a cent or two, right? But it all adds up, and pretty much you're going to get all these rewards and whatnot when you pair them up and use it. So that riled up a whole bunch of fucking, the community, and this thing just went from 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. It did a 2x from the bottom, right? I think. And it has research. I'm just happy that it did that. Because fuck, now it's time for round 2, So SDEX, man, shout out to SDEX. Shout out to my boy who put me on SDEX. Been very nice. Beautiful play. This is all just free SDEX right here. $546 worth of SDEX. Just free. Then I moved my shit to base, right? So I have, what do you got? This shit on base. Let me switch over. Base chain. So we go to base chain. Boom, boom, boom. And I switched over here 2 days ago, right? Or 3 days ago. But in 3 days, I got $1 already. I ain't mad at it, right? And you get rewarded in SDEX. And my staking started with $800. I've already pulled out like $600. It's at $1,600. Pretty sick. I mean, fuck. So I'm just letting that ride, with ETH and SDEX. So ETH is gonna pump very, very soon. I mean, when ETH pumps, it's gonna be fucking major. Kind of like how we just saw, XLM. I think ETH is gonna explode on the Roscoe, bro. I mean, there's so much ETH. There's that eigenlayer shit. There's so much fucking ETH just being restaked and just held, that it's got such a strong base. When this ETH pumps, it's going to fucking pump. So I got a couple more minutes. I'm gonna be going to work pretty soon. I'm gonna be coaching these kids how to ride a skateboard. Trump got a little pump today. Look at Trump, dude. Trump was amazing. Trump is ready for upside. I'm telling you right now, Trump is ready for upside. There's a lot of liquidity up here to grab. As you can see, we have the classic. Now we're ready. You finish the formation. You know what I'm saying? The head and shoulders is complete. And now you're about to about face. Not a bad play here, if you're a real gambler. Golly, look at this motherfucker right here, dude. This Cardano is insane. Cardano, you guys have been waiting for so long. Cardano holders, me too. I've held Cardano for so long, and now it's coming back. But I bought Cardano a while ago, like probably at around the $2 zone. So I'm just waiting to see my shit come back for Cardano, right? But what I'm hearing for Cardano is very good things, right? Same with XRP, XLM. These guys have been waiting to pump. Just waiting for a whole cycle to fucking pump. You know? And congrats, finally. We're back on Chronos, man. So look at these levels right here. These are huge levels. Our main, like, ceiling for Chronos is right here, this zone right here. 33 cents. That is where we're gonna go. And it's also where we're gonna fucking bump our heads, right? But you can see this resistance. Ooh, look at this long-term resistance we have right here that's holding Crow back. 1. A 2. It broke right through it, though. God damn. And a 3. So look at that. But boom, we have an indicator here. We have a trend line indicator, folks. And that's why these lines are so important, right? You might not see it clearly because I'm a crackhead with these lines, right? But we have some kind of a, you can see a trend line now forming, right? Because we have a top. See, every time we hit a top, time always tells us and gives us more info. We have one resistance here, one here, right? One here at this level. So it looks like we are looking for some kind of a correction, a smaller correction, right? Where this needs to be. It's now resistance, kind of. Hell of a fucking run. 1, 2, 3 week run. A great recovery. We could have a short correction here and bounce, actually. So what can happen is we came up, we hit our heads, we came down, showed support here. We're trying to come back up, and we might be bumping our heads right here, right? And we could stay in this zone for a little bit, right? But look what we do every time we hit these bumps, right? Bump, correction, bump, correction, bump. What's gonna happen here? Correction. You know, correction. And if you ask me, the bump, the correction, and we go to the next level, right? Which would be our next level would be that 33, like I said, right? That would be our next bullish target. This new roof we have to kill, 33 cents, right? That's Crow. That's my prediction for Crow, but I mean, it looks phenomenal because what we're actually looking for is the big butt little cheek pattern. Big cheek, little cheek. I swear, the big cheek, little cheek pattern is something I live and die by. I don't give a fuck what your religion is. I'm big cheek, little cheek for life, bitch. Get the fuck off my property. Alright, so there's your little long view on Chronos. It's bullish, okay? You checked out Bert. How do you check Bert on KRC20? Caspa. Is Caspa even on deck screener? The fuck? Is there even a Caspa? I've never even looked. What's KCC? Is that? No, that ain't. Damn, I've never even been to the bottom of this list. Step Network. Oh my god. Beam. Injective. Yeah, I don't know what that is. Bert. Bert. Small market caps. The meta. Let's go look at Solana. So, Chill Trump. Chill Trump is wild. So, you gotta be careful. Like, if we're going into meme coins now, this is where, you know, armed and dangerous. Here's the coin that pumped the other day because fucking. This coin did a 10x, right? Because Alex Schmecker tweeted about it. And after that tweet, this motherfucker did a 10x, right? And then today, he tweeted some shit about, doesn't mean you need to exit your position. And it fucking motherfuckers came in there again. Like anything this boy says, people just run. People just run to it, dude. Incredible. So that was at a 7. Damn, I should have bought some this morning. So this says 21 million market cap. About $1 million in liquidity. Yeah, I think you can see at least 5 million in liquidity if you ask me. And right now it's passing its first layer. Right? It's trying to get above. It's trying to get above, right? I swear to God, one more tweet from Alex Becker about this horse, it's moving. Okay? It failed. It's trying to get above. Right, and once it gets above, that's the real level of resistance right there. Okay? Its next level would be right there. And you come to holders. You got 38,000 holders. He's got 5, 3, and 2% of the whole shit. So you got 3 guys with almost $1 million worth of it. And then 150, 137K. Now, I do like using, you know, Bull X, right? Bull X, I just started using Bull X lately, right? And I like to come in here and just take the contracts and come in here, right? You go to Cheyenne, you come down here, right? To the right side, you copy the contract, you come to Bull X, you go to search, you copy paste, boom, and you get to see, you know, just in a different kind of style, a different chart, right? You get to see shit like when the dev sold. So like right when fucking things drop, this is a dope fucking thing to have because you get to see when the dev sold 2.14 million tokens totaling $10, right? And then the dev bought. So usually after the dev sold is a good time to jump in these coins, right? Because look what happens after. It just fucking goes ballistic, dude. Right? And it looks like it's making another run. Looks like it's gonna make another run. Cheyenne, 2 weeks old. I don't hold any of this stuff. I'm just looking at shit for you guys. Right? I don't do crazy stuff. Okay, maybe a little bit, but you know, again, this thing is definitely gonna run. For me, there's a lot of holders here. You want holders, dude. You don't want to trade with 100, 200 people. You want to trade with thousands of people, man. You need that community trading because you know what? At the end of the day, somebody's got to lose. I got to take money from somebody. You know, and if you have 38,000 people to take money from, that's where you want to be. You don't want to be taking money from 100, 200, 300 people. That is lame. Okay, especially when you have like one fat ass whale in there. No, you want to be in the numbers, right? Because you need thousands of people to trade with, so they could be your exit liquidity, you know. And that's the problem. So like you look at a coin like Cheyenne, right? 38,000 holders. This is on Solana, right? And then we go to like a coin, let's say on Chronos, right? Let's go to Chronos. I mean, this is just, I don't know what the fuck is going to happen, right? We go to Chronos. And look at Chronos. This is one of the top meme coins on Chronos. 8,000 holders, bro. So this is why I tell you, and there's a lot of fucking cocksuckers in Chronos that, you know, just love sucking Chronos cock, and they say, oh, every fucking 4 years you hear it. Chronos is the biggest chain, it's killing everyone else, blah, blah. Oh, yeah? Your biggest meme coin, 8,000 holders. Okay? Cheddar. Or whatever, this other shit we're looking at. Cayenne. 38,000 holders. It's not even the top meme coin. Okay, I'm just giving you the real facts. There's more money on every other chain. Okay, so Chronos is a very niche community. You're only gonna make so much money, and the people that really make money are the fucking devs and the token creators and the insiders there, right? That have been sucking each other's dicks for probably, I don't know, 8 years. Who knows? You know, so they all prey on you. They're preying on you. Okay? They can't wait for you to be like, oh, is this how I set up my wallet? They love motherfuckers like you. Golly. You know, and it just, I've seen it for 4, 5, 6 years. Just, I've seen them prey on people. It's hilarious. And I don't stop it, or I don't even give a fuck. I just look at it and I'm like, God, you idiots. Keep going to the same people, asking for advice. Like, step out of your circle. There's so much fucking money to be made outside. Like, man, even to this day, I'll get a message from old heads talking about, are you looking at anything on Crow? No, I'm not. Like, what the fuck? Shit's pathetic as I'm drawing the lines on Cheyenne. So we're looking at a potential. So if you were to look at like your profits, and when you go into a meme coin, you always want to do your calculations and make sure it's worth your entry. So let's say if I were to come in right now, my potential profit here, I would be coming in at 22.23 million, right? So if we were to double, I'd have to get to 44 million. That's your 1x. Okay, that's your 2x right there, right? So let's just move that up. That's my first 1x or whatever. In order to get 3x, I would have to go to 66 million, right? And so forth, okay? Right there, boom, 88. Oh my God, look at that. And where did I leave those? Isn't that funny? Everything, and I bet you if I pull out the Fibonacci, that these things will line up correctly. But there you go. You got your 1x, 2x, 3x, 4x, okay? Now, will this thing have the life? Will it have the life? I don't know. Depends on if Alex Becker is gonna tweet out another picture or another comment about Cheyenne, because one more fucking comment from Becker of Cheyenne, and yeah, this thing will get enough liquidity to pump to 5 million. Or what's the market cap of it? Liquidity is at 600K. It's not even at 1 million, right? But this chart for a piece of shit meme coin, it looks okay. It looks like we can have the second wave here. Right? And that's how usually these things work out. They go, they bump, they come back down, correct, they go back up, find the support that they need, and bounce. Right? Or, this thing could just fizzle out, bro. It could just fizzle and fizzle and fizzle and fizzle, and then bam! When you least expect it. Right? But overall, I'm not mad at this meme coin. 600,000 liquidity is better than 7,000. And most meme coins, they just hang around under 10,000K liquidity. And those are the ones you do not want to even fucking touch, right? But yeah, Cheyenne, not bad. Not bad. What time is it right now? I think I'm going to go live every day. So have your fucking picks. Whatever coins you're looking at, whatever shit you want to discuss. Another thing I want to tell you guys is watch out for the Alex Becker meme coin. You need to pay attention if you want to make a lot of fucking money in crypto. And I know everyone does. Like I said, you want to be trading with thousands of people. That's why, if you find, let me tell you one other thing, too, about finding these meme coins. You just don't get the app and you start trading piece of shit coins left and right, okay? You just don't get BullX, jump into Pump Vision and be like, okay, time to make, 100K today, time to make $30,000. Let me just jump into one of these brand new coins and we're gonna fucking make it happen. It doesn't work like that, okay? It doesn't fucking work like that, guys. Where the work comes in with meme coins is you're gonna make that money in literally 5 to 10, 15 minutes. Okay? But where you're really gonna spend your time is in these circle jerking circles, bro. You don't have to pull out your cock and start jerking with them. All you need to do is follow. Follow them. follow them, you know, and understand that these coins move because that there's a huge community that's destined to trade that coin. Okay? And these are the communities you need to find on Twitter, Reddit. You're gonna on Telegram. These communities are the money. So when you see a flock, a cult in a Twitter space talking about a certain coin, that's kind of where I need to go and you need to go. Look at this rugging. Because look, if you just come in here on a new coin and think you're gonna do it, oh my god, it's so early. No, look what just happened. Okay? So you're gonna get rugged. Like I said, the money comes from the community. The research is all community based. It's not chart based. When it comes to meme coins, fuck the charts. It's all about community. And you got to find that cult meme community. And that is where you're going to make your fucking 20, 15K hit, your 30K hit. That's where you're going to hit it off, right? But you got to put in the time, the effort to find those communities, you know? And unfortunately, this is crypto, dude. Somebody has to fucking lose. A gang of motherfuckers have to lose for somebody to win big, okay? And the motherfucker that holds on to his bag in the meme coin game usually loses, okay? Because the meme coin game is a scalper's game, if you ask me. If you want to win in the meme coin game, it's a scalper's mentality. You scalp it, scalp it, scalp it. Number two, you need to have a community there trading the coin. You can't just go in with a fucking 100 holders. You can't just go in with 50 people in a fucking Twitter space. Okay, guys, here we go. It's launching. 50 people, suck my fucking cock. You need to find a real gang. Okay? You need to find a gang. And that's where it is. Like, and unfortunately, like I said, a lot of these gangs are cocksuckers. And if you could deal with cocksuckers sitting around you, I can't. I can't. You know, but if you can, you're going to make a lot of money. I've had this channel for many years, right? And I stopped because I'm done with dealing with fuckfaces and idiots in this department, okay? But I've never left. Okay, I'm an investor in crypto. I'll never leave crypto. I understand the cycles, the macro cycles, the small cycles. I understand why is why. I understand after this, when we reach our top, we're going to go downhill, sledding down to 60K. All right, so you need to understand that there's different personalities that you need to acquire for different kinds of trading in this game. There's so many kinds of ways to win and lose in this game. And I've practically done all of them, right? So I know, you know, when I spit at you, I'm not trying to fucking persuade you to do things you don't want to do. I just want to educate you the reality of the situation. And the reality is, meme coins are tough. And you need to get a grip. You need to have the right mentality. Boom, I have $1,000. I'm trading a meme coin. Okay, well, listen. Don't put your whole 1,000 in one meme coin. Okay? And don't be so eager to find a coin. You need to find the community. Remind yourself. Find the community, then trade the coin. Right? And that's what I'm doing too, guys. All right, so I got to go to work. Watch out for Alex Becker's coin. You don't need to do all the research. There's a bunch of fucking Mountain Dew sipping ass fat fucks sitting in front of their computer doing all the work for you, playing Warcraft and all these stupid games that Alex Becker's playing. They're going to solve the puzzle. And understand, any coin that front runs that Alex Becker meme coin that's going to be on pump.fun, any coin that front runs that coin, Yeah, it's going to rug, but it's going to explode as well. So you want to go in and out of that coin as well. So I'm just saying, I'm just giving you the facts. It will happen. The coin will get front run. Someone's going to make it. Thousands of people are going to trade it. Thousands of people are going to make money. And thousands of people are going to lose money. What kind of person were you going to be? All right, guys. Have a good day. I'm out of here. Enjoy the stream. If you missed it, I'll be back on tomorrow. I'm doing an hour stream every morning because I'm going to walk a mile and stream. And that's what we're doing from here on out because we're in a fucking bull run. Enjoy your winnings. Stay safe. And I'll see you guys later. Peace.